Alright, today I'm making a very important video. Um, Causes of your water bill be high. Alright, so I was passing by in my neighborhood. I see water going out there in the street, running out in the street. So I stopped by. I don't think nobody live here. And it's in my neighborhood, so I stopped by to see if I can turn the water off. Alright, this was on and water running inside there, but I'm gonna turn it off for a little bit because I want to demonstrate something. I end up digging this out, and in one of my videos I was telling people not to put these things underneath the concrete, and as you can see, this is the concrete and this is like 10 inches down inside under the ground. Alright, as you can see, you're looking at a lock off, and you're looking at a check valve right there. Alright, so it was on and this thing was spinning. I'm gonna turn it back on a little bit so y'all can see that spinning. Alright, another thing, that's a check valve. The water should be only going that way. It's coming from the main, so it's supposed to be just going that way. Alright, so the water not supposed to come this way. Alright, look at this. This is a tank, right? Whenever you have a line anywhere, pipeline, and you see it looking like this here, there's some leakage. It might be up here or it might be under the joint. This thing need to be fixed, right? So once it look like this, it's leaking somewhere. Need to be fixed. Alright, so I'm gonna turn this on and I'm gonna go back. Now you can see that water is going that way, coming out through that part right there. Water not supposed to come this way to the check valve. So this check valve is faulty. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it back on, off, and I'm gonna get the water back out, and I'm gonna show y'all something. So that's what I said, the water not supposed to be coming from this way. It's supposed to only go one way. Right, so this is leaking right there, right between the check valve and right there. So that's what happened when you put stuff under the concrete where you can't see it. If this was perfectly concrete up, there's no way of seeing the water leaking under the ground. Alright, so now I'm going to turn this on like it was before, and as you can see, the meter is spinning, and look at all that. It's leaking. So that's why the water was running back out into the street. So you're gonna get a bill. So you should always look at the meter. If you're not using any water inside the house, you should look at the meter and see if that thing's spinning. If it's spinning, you're having some leakage somewhere. Might be a toilet. Somewhere you're having some form of leakage. So check valve should never be deep under the concrete. It should be close to the surface. Put it close to the meter and use a little gravel to cover it. I know people don't want to see it. They don't want to see it like this. You don't want to see it like that. You want to have it down a little bit, and you put gravel over it and stuff like that to hide it. Don't put it under the concrete. So this has been another video from Sir Fix-It Grand, and I hope y'all learned something from these people's mistake. And see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.